Here I am going to share those 4 things which you should never be shy. All these 4 things are very practical in itself and recommended by the top successful people in the world. Let's explore the don't be shy at 4 things quote or never be shy at 4 things quote below. Number 1. All clothes. You should never be shy at wear all clothes. Everybody has the choice to wear the way he wants to wear. He can. For people, showing off is like oxygen. If they don't show off their new clothes daily and then don't feel comfortable, for them, new clothes are so important that if they don't wear new clothes, then their confidence level goes down. If you look around you and go to history, then you will find most of the people who went from rags to riches never did show off wearing new clothes. Even their dressing style used to be very simple. They wear whatever gives comfort to them. And because your clothes don't define your talent. If you have talent, then your clothes will not matter. Number 2. Poor friends. Your poor friends give a message to society that we all are human beings and there is no parameter to map the relationships. Relationship by the stages of the people whom to make friends and whom not. If you have friends who care about you, who love you and who support you when you need them, then they should not shy to them friends. One thing you also consider while making friends that your friends should be financially poor, not mentally poor. If they are financially poor, then something can be done. But if they are mentally poor, then you should not make such people your friends, because in long term you will start adopting the habit of your friends and which will be bad thing for you. If you take the habit of poor mentality person. Number 3. All friends. You should never shy to have your all friends with you, because whatever you are today are because of them. They gave everything that they could. So next time if you find some problems with your parents, don't be shy or show your anger to them. Number 4. Simple living. If your living style is simple and you don't like to do much fashion and show off, then you should not shy in that. Even most of the people in the world who achieve a level in their life, they also prefer simple living and high thinking. They believe that a person should live a simple life and his thoughts should high. You cannot judge a person by his living style. Most people, even in history, were very simple living, like APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi, Swami Vivekananda, and many others. Conclusion. These were the 4 things in which no one should shy. If you like the above, share with your friends.